Did you know that driving on underinflated tires is one of the leading causes of road accidents? And most drivers don't even realize their tires are low until it's too late? That's exactly why your Kia comes equipped with one of the smartest safety tools on board, the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS. And in 2027, this feature is smarter and more driver-friendly than ever. What is TPMS? So what exactly is TPMS? It's an electronic safety system built directly into your Kia that continuously monitors the air pressure inside all 4 of your tires, in real time while you drive. Each wheel has a dedicated sensor mounted inside the tire, right behind the valve stem. That sensor measures both pressure and temperature, then transmits the data wirelessly to your vehicle's control unit. If any tire drops below the safe threshold, the system immediately alerts you. How it works in your Kia. Here's how it shows up for you as a driver. The tire pressure monitoring system displays each tire's pressure directly on your LCD cluster display, and you can check it anytime through the assist mode on your instrument panel. One important thing to know, the pressure reading appears about 1 to 2 minutes after you start driving. If you check it while the car is parked and see a drive to display message, that's completely normal. Just drive a short distance and the readings will populate. Also, you can switch the tire pressure unit between PSI, bar, or kilopascals right from the user settings in your cluster menu, which is a small but convenient touch for drivers across different regions. Why it matters in 2027. In 2027 Kia models, TPMS is fully integrated with the digital cockpit display, making it easier than ever to spot a pressure change at a glance. Whether you're heading out on a long highway drive or navigating city streets, this system is quietly watching your tires every single second. Keep in mind that you may not be able to identify a low tire just by looking at it. Tires can lose pressure gradually without any visible change. That's what makes TPMS so valuable. It catches what your eyes can't. Also note that a hot tire, one that's been driven, will show a higher pressure reading than a cold tire. Always measure tire pressure when the vehicle has been sitting for at least 3 hours for the most accurate result. That's everything you need to know about Kia's tire pressure monitoring system and how it works to keep you and your family safe on every drive in 2027. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button right now. We break down every Kia feature, one video at a time, so you always know exactly what your car is doing for you. See you in the next one.